Did you know that what you eat after 50 can dramatically affect your brain health? It's true. What goes on your plate can shape how well your brain functions in your later years. In this video, you'll discover powerful science-backed foods that can help you sharpen your memory, boost your focus, and protect your brain as you age. Welcome to the channel! I'm challenging myself to boost my brain power after 50 by incorporating some amazing brain-boosting foods into my diet. And I'm here to share what happened and how you can benefit too. As we age, many people experience noticeable changes in mental sharpness, like forgetting names, losing track of items, or having a harder time focusing. It's common, but it's not something we just have to accept. Cognitive decline is a natural part of aging, yes, but it's not inevitable. And the food we eat plays a bigger role than most people realize. Think of your brain like a high-performance engine. Over the years, it needs higher quality fuel to keep running smoothly. That fuel comes in the form of key nutrients that feed your brain and help maintain its structure and performance. Our brains begin to physically change as early as our 40s. Brain cells can shrink, and the connections between them, the synapses, can weaken. This affects how quickly we process information and how well we remember things. In some cases, these changes can lead to mild cognitive impairment, a condition that increases the risk of Alzheimer's or dementia. But here's the good news. By eating strategically, you can help protect your brain and even build what scientists call cognitive reserve. Basically, a buffer that helps your brain resist damage and stay sharp. Let's break down the top foods that support cognitive health and why they work. 1. Fatty fish, e.g. salmon, sardines, mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for building brain and nerve cells. Helps prevent cognitive decline and reduce depression and anxiety symptoms. Studies link regular fish consumption with increased gray matter, the part of the brain that controls memory and emotions. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, packed with vitamin K, folate, lutein, and beta-carotene. Nutrients help slow cognitive decline and protect against oxidative stress. One study found that people who ate one serving of leafy greens a day had the brain function of someone 11 years younger. 3. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, chia, flax seeds. Excellent sources of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Vitamin E is especially effective in slowing cognitive decline by reducing oxidative stress. Walnuts in particular contain DHA, a type of omega-3 that enhances brain performance. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that improve memory, improve communication between brain cells, and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption has been linked to slower cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. 5. Eggs contain choline, which helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that supports memory and learning. Also rich in B vitamins, especially B12, which helps slow brain shrinkage and cognitive decline. Now let's talk about the real game changer for your brain. Ready for it? 6. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Enhances brain plasticity, crucial for learning and memory. Can improve mood and focus by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels. 7. Green tea contains L-theanine, which works synergistically with caffeine to enhance alertness and calmness. Rich in polyphenols that protect the brain from oxidative stress. Helps improve attention and working memory. 8. Turmeric curcumin, powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Crosses the blood-brain barrier and boosts BDNF, a growth hormone linked to increased brain function. May help delay or even reverse brain diseases and age-related decline. I tried incorporating these brain foods into my diet for a week. Here's what I noticed. My focus during the day improved. I didn't feel that mid-afternoon brain fog. I even felt a bit more optimistic and motivated. Was it placebo? Maybe. But the science supports it, and I'm definitely sticking with these foods going forward. So let's recap. After 50, your brain deserves extra care. And that care starts with what's on your plate. Fatty fish, leafy greens, berries, nuts, eggs, dark chocolate, turmeric, and green tea. These aren't just trendy, they're science-backed superfoods for your brain. It's never too late to start. Small changes to your diet today can lead to big improvements in how you think, feel, and remember tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a brain boost, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite brain food. And don't forget to subscribe.